Alright, this is a rigid collar install. This is Isaac 2013 SXL? SX.
Basically what we did is loosen both front subframe bolts, and we loosened the front subframe bolts just to where you can't see the first beginning of the threads. That gives us enough clearance here to get the collars in by just pulling on it slightly, and that actually gives you enough gap to get the top collar in, and it'll slide right in. You don't even have to drop anything all the way down, and you will have to do these one by one. So do one set, take it off, put your collars in, and put your bolt up in there again, and then switch over to the other side, and just keep doing them in a sequence like that. That way you don't actually remove or drop the subframe completely all the way down.
So basically we drop this bolt right here, which is the back one. You don't have to do anything with this bolt.
Yeah, that's a control arm bolt.
And then we came up underneath the A-arm, drop this bolt all the way down until you can't see the threads anymore. So that'll give you maybe like another ½ inch of play in the subframe. And then once we did that, you can basically see the hole right there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use a pry bar maybe, or just pull on it, slide the rigid collar into that hole, and then we're going to put another one up into this hole, and then put the bolt back through, and then we're going to drop this bolt all the way down and put another rigid collar up in there. But before you get enough room to drop the pan low enough, you have to also do the same thing on the left side. So drop the bolts, as far this bolt right here as far as you can, and then also same thing on this side above the A-arm. You got that blue bolt right there. You want to basically loosen both sides, let it drop down as far as it can, but so the bolt still supports the subframe, and that'll give you enough room to basically come back and do these one by one.
Yeah. Oh, don't forget, first thing you've got to take completely out is these 14 millimeter bolts here. Without taking those off, the subframe will not drop down at all.
Oh yeah, good thing we didn't forget that. Yeah. All right. So, and there's one on each side.
One on each side.
One there, one all the way in the back, right here. All right, so take those all the way out so that way the whole thing can drop down. All right, we'll make another video for the back side, or add something to this, if there's something we need to add.